So I'm out here in the park near the forest. It's been raining like the whole week now, but I just don't want to stay indoor too much, so I got this raincoat and have a walk a little bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk about my GoPro Mission 1 Pro. I had this camera like over a month now. I bought this one to replace my DJI Osmo Action 6. The reason why I switched from my Action 6 to this GoPro is purely because the image quality. I like the GoPro color science, and the video quality is just much better when you're filming outdoor, and it gives a true to life color in my opinion. And what really attracts me is the 1-inch sensor. It gives me a very good image quality while I do motor vlogging as well. I usually don't use action camera that much. I usually film like review stuff and mainly use my Osmo Pocket 3 for that. But the action cam, I just want to have it while I go travel or vlogging, So when I go to travel or motor vlogging, I can just have one camera for everything. And this camera can shoot like crazy slow motion. For like 8K, you can go to like 60 frames per second, 4K 240 frames per second, and for Full HD, there's a like burst mode up to 960 frames per second, which is kind of crazy. And yeah, it's very good to slow some footage sometimes if you do like some cool or intense action. Aside from the slow motion stuff, the spec of this camera works for me pretty well. It's got 15 million megapixel 1-inch sensor, shoots amazing video quality and also very good still photo. And it's got open gate as well. You can shoot the whole sensor and crop later, so you can like crop in vertical or horizontal as well for your content, which is pretty nice. You can shoot open gate up to 8K 30 frames per second, and also you can shoot up to 8K of course, but I usually shoot like 4K, works enough for me. When I shoot 8K with the Mission 1 Pro and go edit on my Mac, it struggles a little bit, but if you have a higher spec Max, I think it's gonna be no problem. And the design of this GoPro Mission 1 Pro, the body, the screen, the lens is like the same layout as the previous GoPro Heroes. The Mission 1 series, I believe, is replacing the Hero lineup of GoPro, and they added this protrude buttons like to come out of the body a little bit. A very good rubberized materials, which is pretty clicky. When you click, you can feel it right away, or you have gloves on, or like if you like do some diving as well and you take this camera in the water, it's not going to like have an accidental press, which is nice. And you got this battery door, which is the same from the Hero lineup, so you can pull it out and replace it with a USB pass-through door or like a magnetic charging door. Also the battery, you can use the Enduro one from GoPro Hero 13, but I wouldn't recommend that, because we got this new camera. I prefer you to buy the Enduro 2 batteries if you want more batteries from this Mission 1 Pro. And I really like this lens hood. Wow, it works pretty well in raining conditions. I can like put my arm away while I'm wearing a raincoat and don't have to worry about the lens. I don't have to wipe it. The GoPro Mission 1 series, they have a new processor. It's GP3. The GP2 was announced like, I believe, GoPro 10. I used to have that as well, and it's come a long way until GoPro Hero 13, and now they have a new processor for this Mission 1 Pro, which is pretty smooth actually. I never had like overheating issue or like freezes while I'm recording or like riding my motorcycle. But I haven't like recorded this like intensely long. Maybe I haven't found out yet, about overheating with this camera, but I heard from most people they are fine with it as well. I didn't record like a long section, you know, when I'm traveling, vlogging or motor vlogging. I prefer the GoPro Mission 1 Pro over my Osmo Action 6. It's more enjoyable to film something with it. And the accessory of GoPro is just, you know, it feels more cool and more professional for me. The magnetic latch mount is pretty simple, easy to attach and detach. Also the user interface, the software, I prefer GoPro more. It just feels more like a camera for me. And you got quick setting right in front of the screen, so you can change your field of view pretty easily. Unlike the Osmo Action 6, I have to like swipe up and like change my field of view every time, which, you know, seems annoying to me. But this thing, you got instant settings at the front screen. So yeah. The minimum focus of this GoPro Mission 1 Pro is like 60 centimeters, or, you know, an arm's length like this. Yeah, but, you know, I think you can come closer a little bit, I guess. So not a problem at all. Yeah, but, you know, if you vlog with it, you must like pull the camera out a little bit, and you still got a wide angle of view right here. I mean linear field of view. So yeah, I think it's pretty good too. But works best if you have a mini tripod or a selfie stick. I got this Ulanzi something. I'll put it on the screen for you. You can extend the arm as well. And it looks good with my Mission 1 Pro as well. I recommend this one. I'll put the link in the description. From the beginning of this video until now, you're hearing me from the built-in mic of this GoPro Mission 1 Pro. It's got 4 mics. I saw 2 mics at the front and 1 at the back. I don't know where the 4th mic is, but they said it have 4 built-in mic. It's like directional as well, so like you can talk at the front of the camera, and you can like go to the back and you can still like talk to the camera as well. There's a wind reduction as well. Never set it to auto, but you know, you can use the USB-C port to connect any mic of your choice. But yeah, you know, it's gonna switch between stereo and mono sound, and you know, your voice is gonna jump up rapidly and then come down again. Right now I just set it to on, so you know, because there's a lot of rain and, you know, some light wind, just want to have a clear audio and test out this, you know, built-in mic. So the GoPro Mission 1 Pro, I got some disappointment as well. The battery, you know, the Enduro 2 batteries, I haven't been able to buy yet. It's not available in my country. They say like a month, you know, until the accessories arrive, but it haven't arrived yet. And I also need a charger as well, so I need 2 more Enduro batteries and a charger. I'm gonna go for a long travel with it. And it's quick charge too. You can charge 0 to 100% less than an hour. Right now I'm still like relying on the inbuilt camera mic. That's the GoPro mics as well. That's the complete package, where you have the mobile receiver and the camera receiver with 2 transmitter, 2 mics. And that's the USB kit, which have the USB-C receiver, the mobile kit, and also 1 transmitter. And that's also the transmitter only, you know, just the mic itself, which I'm going to buy to use with this Mission 1 Pro. So would I recommend you to go straight and buy the Mission 1 Pro? Maybe, and maybe not. Maybe if you love GoPro quality, the color science and everything, And the accessories, they are pretty cool too. You know, you're just a GoPro lover like I am, and you need a good image quality and a 1-inch sensor. Yeah, you can go ahead and buy it. Maybe not if you're like not confident about GoPro, the company itself. You know, they already announced that they have a financial problem and also filed an SEC report. They have a substantial doubt about they're going to continue their business in the future. Basically, they have financial issues and they lost a lot of money while trying to run the company. But they're still trying. Yeah. But you know, while I live, you know, in Thailand, the sales, you know, of the new Mission 1 Pro is pretty bad actually. No one really buys it except me. I bought it because it's just amazing, and I'm quite bored with Osmo Action. And you know, I'm very impressed with the image quality so far with this thing. But yeah, they have some financial trouble. The company losing money. Whether you want to buy or not. But for me, if I was to go back in time, I wouldn't buy it because I don't have any additional accessories right now, and I waited like, you know, more than a month already. I just got this camera and this battery. If right now I don't have the camera, I wouldn't buy it. But you know, it's up to you guys whether you want to buy it or not. But for me, if I don't have it, no, I wouldn't buy it. I would rather buy a camera that has like good support and accessories, and I can buy it instant right away. I hope this is helpful to you to make your decision. It's an awesome camera. I'm gonna head home now. If you do like it, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.